Hello students, welcome to Dayavati Modi Public School online classes of computers. It is your computer class and it is your computer book standard 5th. Students, today I will explain personalizing Windows 10 environment. Personalizing means customizing. You can customize your Windows according to your requirement. After going through this chapter, you will be able to customize desktop, pin tiles, resize and move them and turn them off. Display multiple windows at a time, know about the universal apps and explore pictures. Friends, MS Windows is a popular operating system available for platforms like desktop and tablets. It is developed and released by Microsoft. Yes, friends, Windows operating system is used to start our computer, manage all the parts and all the actions of the computer, and it is also used for shutting down our computer. Friends, there are so many versions of Windows. You can see here. Number one, Windows Server 2003, Windows Vista, Windows 7, and Windows 8. Friends, Windows 10 is developed by Microsoft. Microsoft is a company, and Bill Gates is the founder of Microsoft company. Friends, Windows 10, being the latest version of Windows, was released. Yes, friends, these are some new features of Windows 10. Number one is Cortana, an intelligent personal virtual assistant. It takes voice commands as well as written commands. Yes, friends, you can see in picture it is a symbol of Cortana. Here you can give voice command with the help of microphone. Yes, friends, next one is Windows Hello, a biometric based security system. It allows fingerprints access, iris scan, and facial recognition. Yes, friends, you can secure your system with these three type of securities. Yes, friends. Yes, friends. Next feature is Paint 3D. It is a new application for drawing. You can perform various tasks such as adding animation, converting 2D images to 3D, and drawing 3D images and freehand drawing. As friends, you can see in picture there are so many features in 3D Paint. You will use and enjoy. Next is Microsoft Edge is a new default browser of Windows 10. It is integrated with Cortana and annotation. It's a picture of Microsoft Edge. You can identify on your system. Yes, friend. Using desktop. Do you know all the tools to personalize the windows are available on the desktop? Yes, friends. Use these tabs to change desktop background, color, theme and font. Yes, friends. Right click on the empty screen on the desktop. Then select personalizing option from the context menu, and at last the setting window will appear with different options such as background, color, theme and font. After using this, you will see your background will be changed. Yes, friends. Window is quite flexible and provides option to change the setting of desktop. Yes, students. Now, icons. The small picture on the desktop are called icons. These represents an object or a program. It is a desktop picture and you can see many small pictures on this, and there are some icons like application icon. These are the graphical images that gives a quick access to the related programs. Number 2, recycle bin. You can see this is a recycle bin icon. It is used to store the deleted files. You can also retrieve that files if you need in future. Next is shortcut icon. Shortcut icon is an icon containing a direct route to a specific application or document. Student, taskbar on the desktop. It is an important part of desktop. It is presented on the bottom of the screen. It is divided into two parts, left part and right part. The left part has start button and so many icons like save button, Google and so on. And right side you can see notification area. You can see, wait, this is a notification area, and here you can see time, date, volume icon, internet icon and so on. Students, you can tap the notification button to display the vertical bar of action on the right side of the taskbar. Students, it is information about system. Snap feature allows you to drag and drop a window to a corner of the screen, thereby making space for the other application. Means you can open more than one application at a time. Now, it is one more feature, Universal Apps of Windows. Universal App of Windows 10, also known as the Universal Windows Platform, a short form is UWP apps, are those apps that you can use on all Microsoft Windows platforms such as personal computer, smartphones, Microsoft HoloLens, tablets and Xbox One. As friends, you can arrange your pictures with the help of this photo app, and you can save your pictures for a long time. Now, live tiles. The blocks of category creates play and explore open and on clicking on the start button and display information by opening apps at a glance. As friends, turning the live tiles off. You can off these tiles. These are blocks which is live on the screen. You can open it and see the status of it, and you can change the size of these tiles, and you can pin that tiles, and there are so many current icons are there like date, emails and so on. You can pinning a new tile with the help of right mouse button. Students, it is very important and new feature of Windows 10. Here you can resize the tiles with the help of right mouse button. like small size, medium size, wide and large. Students, it is important and latest feature of Windows 10 you can use and you can take latest information from these tiles. Students, it is one more information here. Snap feature allows you to drag and drop a window to a corner of the screen, thereby making space for other applications. Yes, students, these are some keywords. Keywords or key terms means specific words that is used in computer and that is used in this lesson, like live tiles. The blocks of categories create, play and explore that open on clicking on the start button and display information by opening app at a glance. Taskbar, a bar located at the bottom of a desktop screen used to find files, apps and shortcuts and also to customize the desktop screen. Desktop, the first screen that we see after a computer is switched on. Theme, a combination of desktop background, pictures, colors and sound on the computer. Icon, small images on a of a program, not on a small pictures of a program on a desktop. Now recap. Recap means it is a summary of your lesson in few lines, right? Desktop has many shortcuts such as recycle bin, folder, this PC, which helps to start working on any program immediately. Files are kept inside a folder to make search easier. Taskbar helps the user to find files and notification and some computer features. Pinning is a method to log on to a computer without using a password or picture password. Last but not least, tiles is a method of group files without opening them. Means you can see information without opening a program, so it is called tiles. These are live tiles. It is connected to our daily life. Okay, students. Now this lesson is completed. We will meet again with new lesson. Till then, bye. Have a nice day.